intro in this video.
This is gonna be one take. Come on.
What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring Up Muscle Cars, and I'm Quinn. Today, we're covering probably one of the most difficult jobs to do in the Fiesta that you can even imagine. We're installing the Stubby antenna. So it looks like basically this unscrews right here, and this screws in. And voila, that's about, I don't know, 50 horsepower? Get your whoosh.
Like solid 5.
Yeah.
Who's it from?
That's from Whoosh Motorsports. Shout out to Ron. He gets rid of the big antenna that looks like you're trying to contact a alien civilization or something. So, just a nice, fun little mod to do. It's very easy. I think it makes the car look a little bit better. So, thanks for watching. If you got a fast car, you better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.